Good morning, children. It's nice to meet you in this crisis situation through this media. I am going to teach class 9 mathematics topics called lines and angles. I am sure all of you have learned right from the lower classes, class 4, 5, what is about lines and angles. Again, I am sure you might have forgot everything. It's okay. Now I will explain to you about lines and angles. First point is line. What is line? Line is a collection of points which are arranged in orderly to make a line. For example, this is a point. All of you know point, right? Then I will put one more point here. I will put another point. I will put another point. I will put another point. Point. When I put together, then they form a figure called something like line. So, no, so line is a collection of points which are arranged in a particular order. In otherwise, line is a straight path. Line is a straight path that is endless in both the directions. Straight path, endless. So we put arrow mark. Meaning of arrow mark, it goes non-stop. Line is a straight path that endless in both directions. It has a length but no breadth. Can you measure this? What is the breadth of this line? Cannot, right? But we can measure at least a length. So this is called point A, this is called point B. So we call it, this is line AB. It denotes shortly AB. We can also write, okay? Now second point, line segment. What is all about line segment? Line segment is a part of a line. You know a line, AB is a line. Line segment is a small portion, a small part of a line is called line segment. Suppose you take a point called P on the line AB, another point called Q. Now PQ, you just cut off and you can take a portion of a line AB. So this PQ has a starting point that is starting from point P and ending point it ends at Q. So line segment is a part of a line which has starting point as well as ending points. Clear? You can also write down. Next come ray. I am going to explain this point, teaching point ray with a small example. I am going to draw a small figure. Easily you will come to know. Can you guess what this figure? Definitely yes. Because every day you see it on the sky. Is that no? Okay. On a sunny day, when you look at the sun with closing with one eyes, when you look like this, What do you feel or what do you see? Plenty of rays are coming to hit your eyes, right, from the sun. Do you have the experience like that? Yes. Yes, we all have the experience like that. Sometimes when we are small, we used to play on the ground like that. So, when we see the sun, straight, so many rays are coming and hitting. This is called sun rays. This sun rays, from where does it comes? Yes? Yes, correct. From where? Sun. And where it going to end? Do not know. Because it's non-stop traveling. How many kilometers? It's non-stop traveling. The sun rays has starting points from sun, but it does not have ending point. Where it ends, we do not know. So, ray is a part of a line segment. It's a part of a, it's parts of a line AB. It's a part of a line. It's a point P. And where it is going to end, we do not know. So, we can take ray PB. Ray PB. The ray PB has starting points at P. Where it is going to end, do not know. Clear? Next. Clear? Okay, write this point. Now comes next point, angle. What is angle? When two rays, one ray AO is a one ray, the ray AO starts at AO and going to end, do not know. Another ray OB, starting with O, where it is going to end, we do not know. When starting point of two rays comes together at one particular point, they formed a angle. This is called angle. And the point of junction of two rays, starting points, is called vertex. This point is called vertex. Clear? Vertex. So, angle means two rays, starting point of two rays when comes together, they formed an angle. The junction of the meeting point is called vertex. So, we will learn 4 points, 4 basic points. One is line, another one is line segment, then ray, then angle. It's clear? Now, we will go little further. These are the basic points, we will go little further. Now, we are going to learn more about angles. First, we will learn about types of angles. There are different types of angles. Let us learn one by one. First, we are going to learn about acute angle. What is acute angle? Many times when you are walking on the street, I am sure you might have seen mainly a father coming with a small child. maybe 1 year old or little less than 1 year old. The child is holding the father's finger and try to walk, not able to walk properly, but try to walk. The legs are not cooperating with the child, and father admire, yes, my child is, my child is, this is my child, admire. And you are walking on the road. Not only you, there are so many people. Will you look at the father or look at the child? Yes? Child, right? Yes. We all look at the child. You know why? The child is very small, so cute, trying her his level best to walk. Then by looking at the child, automatically what do you feel? Oh, so cute, this child. Have you got the experience like that? Yes? Yes, right? Yes, all of us got the same experience. Child is so cute. Now, after 30-40 years, the child becomes big men or woman, huge in size. Now, after 40 years, you saw the same persons walking on the road. Wow, so cute man. Oh, so cute lady. Will you say? Definitely no, right? Yes, we will not say. But you told same person 40 years before, you told, so cute. But now you are not willing to say. Why? What is the reason? Because 40 years ago, the person was very small. So anything which is small in size, we feel it like a cute, you like it. You like to call cute. Yes or no? So, among all the angles, acute angle, acute, cute, plus cute, acute, a small angle. There are so many angles are there. This is the smallest angle. That is why we call it acute angle. Is it clear? I think you can remember, right? Anything small, acute. Acute angle, the magnitude of acute angle is greater than 0, less than 90 degree. Greater than 0, less than 90 degree. Any angles which comes in between 0 to not 90 degree, less than 90 degree, then it is called which angle? Which angles? Acute angles. Now, how to draw acute angles? You already will learn how to draw angles, right? Starting points of two rays comes together, they form an angle. Yes or no? That's what we learned. So, one ray AO, another ray BO. So, this angle is less than how many degree? 90 degree, greater than 0. So, this is called angle acute angle. Acute angle. Clear? Regarding acute angle, any doubts? Okay. Now comes obtuse angle. Obtuse angles. The angles which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. It should be greater than 90 degree. But less than how many degree? 180 degree. So this angle is called what angles? Obtuse angles. Any angles in between. So what angles? Obtuse angles. Clear? You can draw. Next comes right angles. Right angles. When two rays meet at ray 1 AO, another ray AB in such a way at perpendicular, that is, this is called perpendicular symbol, okay? Perpendicular means exactly how many degree? 90 degree. When two rays AO and BO comes together at 90 degree, that is called what angle? Right angle. This symbol is called right angle, means 90 degree, right? Two rays comes together. Okay, now straight angles. What is straight angles? Very simple. Straight plus angle. Straight plus angle. Straight angle means, you know very well, line AB. AB is a line that is a straight. The angle which is on the straight line, is called straight angle. This is not angle, this is straight line AB. Suppose if there is angle, now this becomes angle AOB. Angle AOB. This is called what angle? Straight angles. So what is the degree of straight angles? Okay. I will explain with one more examples. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, guess, just know it out. Yes, it's a what is this? Right angle. Am I right? How many degree it has? How many degree? 90 degree. Now I am going to draw one more right angle. This side 90 degree, right? What about the other side? This also looks like right angle? Yes. How many degree? 90 degree. right. Now, here also one more angle is here, angle AOB, am I right? Angle AOB. Angle AOB has how many 90 degree? There are 2, right? So, 90 plus 90 how much? 180 degree. So, what is the magnitude of right angle, straight angle? 180 degree. Clear? Okay, you write. Now, what angles? Reflex angles. Sorry, it's point number 4. Reflex angles. We know it is a ray. When it goes little more, how many degree? 180 degree straight angle. Now, if we go beyond 180 degree, means more than 180 degree, then it becomes like this, right? You can go this much, even you can reach this much, even you can reach this much also you can, but you cannot reach this line. It is more than 180 degree. If it touch here, it become a circle, so you should not touch. Circle has 360 degree. So, reflex angle is in between more than 180 degree, but less than 360 degree. Any angles comes in between 180 degree to 360 degree, more than 180 degree to 360 degree, then it is called what angle? Reflex angle. Reflex angles. Clear? Clear about reflex angles? Okay. Now, we will go for what angle? Complete angle. Ready? Okay. It is a ray. Now, I am going to draw one figure, you have to tell me what angle. Can you guess? All of you, can you guess what is this angle? Yes, your guessing is correct. Acute, right? Acute angle. Now, I am going to draw another. This acute angle and this small angle together. So, it is which one? Acute angle plus the small angles together form new angle. Yes, yes, your guessing is correct. Yes, what is that? Right angle. What do you call? What do you call? Right angle. Yes. Now, with this right angle, I am going to draw one more angle. Right angle plus this angle. Now, what do you call this full angle? Yes, obtuse angle. Correct? Next, With this obtuse angle, I am going to draw one more ray. Obtuse angle with this ray. What do you call? New angle coming, right? What is the name? Yes, what is that? Straight angle. Yes. Now, with straight angles, I am going to draw one more. So, now it is what angles? Reflex angles. Right? Now, reflex angle, not only this much, you can go, even this much also you can go. Can you go now reached here? Can you go further? Cannot, right? Now, when it's reached here, it's become a, what is the shape? What is the shape of this figure? Yes, yes, well known. John, circle. Am I right? That is called what angle? Complete angle. Complete angle. So, in complete, there is no more angles here. All the angles are included in complete angles. Clear? Now, question is, what is the magnitude of complete angles? Okay, I will tell you. Line AB, we take one point O, tell me what is the name of this angle? Yes, angle AOB. What is the name it has? What angle? Straight angles. Straight angle has how many degree? Today we have learned, right? Straight angle has how many degree? Yes, how many degree? 180 degree. All of you draw in your notebook this figure. Yes, now can you draw one more straight angles in the same figure? Is it possible? Yes, possible, right? We can draw one more straight angles downside. How many degree? 180 degree. So, now two straight angles comes together, they form a, what do you call this figure? What do you call this figure? Circle. So, in the circle how many degrees are there? 180 plus 180 how many degree? 360 degree. So, straight angle, complete angle has how many degree? 360 degree. Clear? Now, we are going to learn some more angles, that is pairs of angles. Pairs of angles. Pairs, you know, two, right? First is adjacent angles. Adjacent, this word is very common. Adjacent means what? Immediate next to you. That is called word adjacent. So, adjacent angles means immediate next angles. Two angles are called adjacent angles if they have common ray, if they have a common ray, or we can call it arms, common arm or common ray, both can be used. If they have a common ray and their starting points, of the rays, the angle should be at one particular point. They meet each other. Then they are called what angle? Adjacent angles. Angle AOB and angle BOC. It is something like next to you. Who is next to you? Your friend, right? Yes. In between you and your friend there is nobody. So in between angle AOB and BOC there is no angles. So that angles are called what angles? Adjacent angles. Clear? Next. Linear pairs. Two angles are called linear pairs of angles if they have the common arms, common ray, and the non-common arms or non-common rays should be in opposite direction. These two angles, common arm is BO. BO is a common arms. AO and AO and BO and CO, there are three rays. One ray is a common for two angles, that is BOC and AOB. BO is a common arm. The non-common arms are CO and AO. They are in opposite directions. One is going to east mean, another one will be going to west. So the non-common, these are called what angles? What angles? Linear pairs of angles. Now, linear pairs of angle, I want to explain one more point here. Can you say angle AOC also? Can you say angle AOC here? Yes. What is the name of angle AOC? Yes, straight angle, right? Yes. Straight angle has how many degree? 180 degree. So sum of linear pairs is always 180 degree, never change. That is angle AOB plus angle BOC together how many degree? 180 degrees. There are some more angles to be explained that will be done in the next class. So today, what are the points we have learned so far? The first point is, you can check your notebook what you have written already. First point is what? Line, then line segment, then what do you learn? Yes, ray, then angles. These are the basic points. Okay. Then comes what? Types of angles. What is the first angles? Acute angle, right? Then yes, obtuse angle. Then right angle. Then what is that? Straight angles. Then reflex angles. Then complete angles. Right? You learned that much. Then what you learn? What you learn? Pairs of angles. Pairs of angles. What are those? First point is adjacent angles. Adjacent angles, that angles in between them there is nobody, no other angles. They are called what angles? Adjacent angles. Yes or no? Next comes linear pairs. Linear pairs, they have one common arm, that is OB, and the non-common arms. What is the non-common arms? AO and CO. They are in where? Opposite directions. They form what angles? Linear pairs of angles. Their angle AOB and BOC, linear pairs. At the same time, in linear pairs we learn more angle AOC together. What do you call? Straight angles. Straight angles has how many degree? 180 degree. So, angle AOB plus angle BOC how many degree? 180 degree. Okay children, let us see next class. Okay, thank you so much.